Good afternoon, students. Today we will study about the female reproductive system. Now, female reproductive system. That female reproductive system consists of organs. First one, ovaries. Second, oviduct, uterus, vagina and vulva. That are the organs involved in female reproductive system. Now here in female reproductive system some glands are involved, and that glands involved are vestibular gland and mammary glands. Here in female reproductive system 5 organs and 2 glands involved. That 5 organs are ovaries, oviduct, uterus, vagina and vulva, and 2 glands are vestibular gland, also called as Bartholin glands, and mammary glands. Now here diagram of that female reproductive system. First organ, that is the ovary, red color. Ovary, it is occurred in pair, 2 in numbers. It is present in pelvic region just behind the urinary bladder. Ovaries are oval in shape, and that ovaries connected with uterus with the help of ovarian ligament, and at maturity that ovary produces female gamete eggs and female secondary sexual hormone estrogen and progesterone. Estrogen and progesterone are the 2 hormones produced by female at maturity in the ovary. Oval insert present in pelvic region. That is the first organ, ovaries. Now, second organ, oviduct. Oviduct, it is tubular organ, tube-like organ, oviduct. It is tubular organ, consists of 3 parts: infundibulum, isthmus and ampulla. That are the 3 parts of oviduct. Duct, tubular organ. So that oviduct also called as fallopian tube. Oviduct is tubular organ, so it is called as fallopian tube. Consists of 3 parts: infundibulum towards ovary, isthmus longest in the center, and ampulla towards the uterus. Now, among that 3 parts of oviduct, infundibulum, isthmus, ampulla, isthmus longest, infundibulum that is present towards ovary, and it shows a finger-like projection. Among all that finger-like projection, one that is attached with ovary to pick up eggs produced by that ovary, and that finger-like projection of infundibulum that is called as fimbriae. That is called as fimbriae, which pick up eggs from the ovary. Isthmus, in isthmus, when eggs reaches up to isthmus, here waiting of eggs for sperm and fusion of that female gamete eggs with male gamete sperm, that is called as fertilization. So here in isthmus fertilization occurred. So isthmus is called as fertilization center. Isthmus is fertilization center, and ampulla connects that oviduct with the uterus. Third organ, uterus. Uterus, it is dome shaped, somewhat triangular in shape, yellowish color, and that uterus also called as a womb. WOMB. Uterus also called as womb consists of again three parts: upper dome fundus, lateral body of uterus, and posterior here opening of that uterus or womb, that is called as cervix. Cervix, that is nothing but the opening mouth of that uterus or womb, and that cervix open in next part, that is vagina, and at the opening of that uterus into vagina, there is at the junction there is a presence of cervix, mouth, and that body of uterus that lined by a single celled inner membrane, that is called as endometrium. That is called as endometrium, which provide nourishment through the connective tissue, that is called as placenta, which provide nourishment to the developing fetus through the placenta. Development of fetus that takes place in womb or uterus. Development of fetus, and for the development of that fetus, it requires nourishment, nutrition that takes from that endometrium through the placenta tissue. And vagina, it is a muscular organ which can expand 7 to 9 centimeter in depth or length, and it is covered by a transverse cell, red color transverse cell, that is called as vaginal rugae, and that can be broken down during maybe cycling, maybe climbing on trees, or maybe during first copulation. And within that vagina, at the mouth of that vagina, there is a presence of vestibule, vulva, and clitoris present there, a small erectile organ that is called as clitoris. It is erectile organ just like male penis, so it is called as clitoris, is called as pseudo penis. Pseudo means false. Clitoris is called as pseudo penis. That is about the organs involved in female reproductive system. And opening of that vagina, that shows a vulva there, vestibule and vulva. Here two openings, separate openings are there, one for urinal and another for menstrual flow. Two openings, separate openings. Here organs completed. Now glands involved are vestibular gland and mammary gland. In vagina, at the mouth of vagina, there is a presence of vestibular gland, and secretion of that vestibular gland, it acts as lubricant to make path neutral or to make easier copulation process. And next one, mammary gland present in chest region, thoracic region, ventrally, and it secretes or it produces milk after discharge of fetus, after delivery. Discharge of fetus, that mammary gland secretes or produce milk with the help of prolactin, enzymes, hormones. That is the organs and glands involved in female reproductive system. Now here stepwise writing organs involved in it. First organs are ovaries, oval insect present in pelvic region, produces female gamete, eggs, and female sex hormone estrogen and progesterone. Estrogen responsible for the development of secondary sexual character in female, like enlargement of mammary gland, starting of menstrual cycle, development of hairs, whatever that are the secondary sexual character in female, and that is developed with the help of estrogen and second hormone progesterone responsible for pregnancy. Afterwards, second part, oviduct consists of three parts: towards ovary infundibulum, having finger-like projection fimbriae; middle part, that is isthmus, where fertilization occurred, so called as fertilization center; posterior last part, ampulla, which connects oviduct with womb or uterus. Now third part, uterus, it is also called as womb, triangular in shape, upper dome shape funnel, lateral body of uterus lined by single celled endometrium. Third, posterior part, cervix. Uterus opens in vagina through the opening, that is the cervix. Now lateral body of uterus, from that endometrium it produces connective tissues, that is the placenta, which help for nourishment of fetus developed in womb or uterus. Last part, that is the vagina. It is muscular organ. It is female copulatory organ. It is having two openings, one for discharge of urine and another for menstrual fluid. That vagina shows the transverse strips of connective tissue, that is called as vaginal rugae, which can be broken down during cycling, climbing on trees, or during first copulation, and that at the opening of vagina there is a presence of erectile organ, just like a male penis, that is called as clitoris. It is also known as pseudo penis, false penis. Vestibular glands present in vaginal region. Vestibular glands present in vaginal region secretes fluid which acts as lubricant, easement during copulation process. And last one, mammary glands present in thoracic or chest region secretes milk after childbirth, and that is about the female reproductive system. You must take that screenshot of that diagram, draw and post on WhatsApp. Thank you, students.